All praise to the Most High. Can you guys see that? Can you see that? It's a sticky bush. I know I got to cut that out. But this here, can you see this over here, guys? Let me get the camera down in there. That's a Chinese radish. Now, this is my set my movie set I was building for Rattlin. Okay, look, that's the entrance to the Rattlin right there. That's the entrance under the ground, y'all. And it's covered. These bushes came up because I was busy. But now these sticky things here, the strawberry, look, I got another strawberry. See there? Strawberry's going and still got flowers. I haven't watered it, but it's still doing really good. Now these sticky things, I know those got to come up. But this here looks like collard greens, but I don't know. So I'm going to get my friend to look at it. Then we got some more plants, but y'all, when you look at these collard greens, I put some of this in my food. And the seedlings are even better because I've been watering it so well. Look how big the seed pods are. These dried seed pods, you see I had put the stake and everything. These dried ones are just full of fertile seeds. And then the greens are just growing everywhere. Almost the last couple of nights I just came out here and got some greens and cooked them for dinner, and it's been real nice. Now I didn't use the flowers like I said I would for my presentation, but I didn't cut the flowers because look at all of the seed pods. That's why I didn't cut the flowers. The seed pods are coming in so well, and so you don't want to really disturb it by, you know, just taking the flower. That wasn't nice. But if I put some more water, which as you see the leaves are still wet, I'm just amazed at the radishes. Oh Lord, there's another one. All praise to the Most High. This Chinese radish is very, very good for you. And I had no idea what it was, and I just didn't cut it. I said, I'll just keep watering. Like I told you, all of these things here were full of trash. All garbage and trash. These people just kept throwing trash over, throwing trash, until I came along and cleaned it out. And then look at the potatoes. A tomato came out of there. A family now of sunflowers. Not just one. A whole family. Mom, dad, brother, sister, all came out. That's so beautiful. Alright, it's a short video. A plant that was dead came back alive. I got my aloe vera to ward off the evil spirits, if it's gonna work. Aloe vera is doing good. Oh Lord, my moringa, it was doing so well, my moringa. And I don't know, it's hanging on by an inch. I grew this out of one single seed, and I'm gonna try to grow it again. If this dies, I'll try to grow it again. The seeds are good. A lady gave me from Hawaii, gave me those moringa seeds. I've been homeless, I've been going there all these different places, struggling all this time. I kept those moringa seeds, and just look, moringa heals cancer and all kinds of things. It's a really good plant. It actually goes into a tree. The water experiments, the aqua garden is still growing strong. All this is still good. You see all that green is still good. It's just that I didn't have time to keep on going with my water garden. But before I move, which I may be moving to a better place, I'm gonna try to do one short film of Ratland. I'm gonna bring the puppets down. I'm gonna try to do one skit if I can and post it. Because if I do a skit or whatever, that means I got to cut down collard greens. I got to pull up those radishes and tear up all this. So that's why I'm going to wait until I don't have to see my friend. I see it's a radish. I was going, oh Lord. I was going to ask him because I don't know plants well. I asked him, was that a good plant? And all of a sudden, a big old radish. Folks, this radish grew within less than a month, about 10, 15 days. That radish grew. It's a giant radish down there. It's going to be good. I'm going to cook it, guys. All praise to the Most High. Another short video. I told you I was coming down the garden. Now I got to get to the other side of town. But I'm going to cut some of this, these collard greens, because those kids got a Pikachu or something. So I'm going to cut these collard greens and maybe some of these radish leaves for the Pikachu, what you call that thing? I don't know what it is. It's some kind of squirrel or something they got. Chichichong, I don't know what you call that thing. I call it a Pikachu because that's what it looks like. So, Lord. But okay, all praise to the Most High. The garden is wonderful. I love it. That's the Most High is giving the bounty. If he put us in the wilderness right now, I bet you we'll survive. I bet we will. That radish came out of nowhere, and that's very healthy for you. I like Chinese and Asian cooking. That's amazing. Okay, and this greens, oh man. I'm trying to eat them before the caterpillar eats them all up. But you see, you got a lot of little tender ones. That's the ones I kind of go for because I know they're going to be good. And then the flowers are bursting, just bursting out. If you can see, wait a minute. That's the Most High's bounty. These flowers just coming out of the woodwork. It's really beautiful, guys. I suggest anyone, even if you don't know who Lisa Kaveri is, I challenge anybody to have a garden. It's really nice. Okay, I got to go. I'll preach the Most High.